Hi everyone, it's Keco TDN here. Just want to go through this tactical adapter with you. For those of you who use this is how they, so the Reapers here, or the Tequila line, and the A1, these are the A1 ratchet handle tools. Okay, so if you want to ever get one of these off, just literally flat blade screwdriver in the top there. Let's be careful, there's a little spring. And now that's ready to go straight onto a tactical handle. So give you an idea on these, they are removable. So you can take from an L handle, T handle to an L-shaped handle, which with a bit of extra leverage, and you can put more of these on should you wish. I think realistically that's going to be as long as you'd want to go. You could also put a rubber ball on the end to make it a little bit more comfortable for pushing for prolonged periods. But where this adapter comes in, so those of you who've got the Ultra handles, the tactical tip handles, so you're used to either this. Ultra do a one that's quick release, but this is for the most part what a lot of people will have. There's a knack to getting these off, and if you haven't got it, it can be an absolute nightmare and you're sitting there trying to pull them. So they're very similar. There is a little set screw under here, but obviously Ultra uses this octagon shape. All right, so you are slightly less limited. I'm not going to count the amount of positions, but you can see there's a lot more positions on this than there is on an octagon. All right, so up to now there was never really a way of getting around that until this little adapter come out. So I picked this up and I was like, oh, does it have to be, what my first instance was, I thought it had to be welded, but it doesn't. It's got a little release ball in here. So that just sits over the top of this now. Now this will just come on and off easily. So this tool can be used on multiple handles. I'll go on this one, multiple shafts, sorry. But you pop that on, then you grab the tactical handle, and then it's this way up, okay? So don't put it this way around because it's not going to work. So this way up, put your release on there, slide it over the top, and there you have it. You've now got, that's nice and, yeah, that's not coming off in a hurry. So yeah, so you've got the ability to have that as an L handle or a T handle, as we showed earlier. All right, but then also, the only thing you can't do is obviously move this whilst it's in situ, but you couldn't do that with this handle either. You'd have to remove it out of the door, swap the handle around. But yeah, you just want to press a little button there, pop that off, and then you can turn it to wherever you see fit. You can see it slightly off there now. You can go, you know, you haven't got to take the handle all the way off. You can get it to the point where you see just sort of ratchets released in there. Find out where you're happy with, and then just press your button. You can see the little lock ball just in here, just down the bottom there. So as I push that, it releases the ball. So as long as that's out of the way, now I can just push that and engage it. All right, so if you're downing a door and you want to move the handle, don't feel like you have to take it all the way off and then put it back on again, because you can bet your bottom dollar this would be exactly in the position you want it. You take the handle off, this will go back, you put the handle back where you think you needed it, and then it's out again. So literally just release, spin, and then push back down. But it's a really neat little handle, that. And first time I've really got up close to these, but this definitely, I mean, I'm a big Ultra user, and I've kind of shied away a little bit from the Reapers and Tequila tools, purely and simply the fact I don't like the bulkiness of the handles on the cart. They just become a little bit too, this definitely answers that question. So yeah, really nicely made. Props to John on that one, he's done a good job there. But yeah, so that's the tactical adapter to go on the tactical handle. So any questions, as always, just drop a comment down below and we'll get it answered for you. Thanks a lot.
Please visit www.tdntools.com, or why not subscribe to our YouTube channel
to see many more reviews like this of latest tools.